Hello, good morning, students. How are you? I think you all are well in during this pandemic condition. Today we are going to discuss about the importance of pH in everyday life. The pH plays an important role in many activities of our everyday life. pH of stomach helps in the digestion of food. pH maintenance of pH in of mouth prevent tooth decay, etc. pH in our digestive system. We know that our stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. The hydrochloric acid secreted in our stomach helps in the digestion of our food without harming the stomach. But sometimes the excess acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Excessive production of secretion of hydrochloric acid produces pain and irritation in our digestive system. So we take antacids to neutralize the excessive acid secreted in stomach to get rid of pain and cure indigestion. The basic substances antacids like milk of magnesia, baking soda, whose chemical names are magnesium hydroxide and sodium bicarbonate, are used. When we eat food containing sugar and do not clean our mouth properly, then bacteria present in our mouth break down the sugar of the food and form acid. The acid formed in the mouth decreases the pH of the mouth and starts to decay the upper layer of our teeth, that is enamel, which is made up of calcium phosphate. Decaying of enamel of teeth causes tooth decay. So we must have to clean up our mouth properly, thoroughly after eating food every time by using toothpastes which are basic in nature, tooth powders, etc. Plants and animals are sensitive to pH change. During farming, various types of plants are sensitive to the pH change in the soil or in the environment, and the growth of plants and survival of animals depends on a large extent on the availability of proper pH condition which suit them. Soil pH and plant growth. Most of the plants grow best when pH of the soil is close to 7, that is, soil is neutral. If soil is too acidic or too basic, in that condition the plants grow badly or do not grow at all. This affects the yield of the crops. So, if the soil is too acidic, that is having low pH, then it is treated with materials like quick lime or slacked lime or chalk, calcium carbonate, like basic substances to maintain the pH of the soil. If pH of the soil is high, in that case some acidic substances are used to maintain the pH. We can check the pH of the soil ourselves by performing activity. We take about a small amount of soil in a test tube and add about 5 ml of water and it well. The solution, the mixture is filtered and the filtrate obtained is collected in another test tube. Now we add universal indicator in the filtrate and compare it, the color of the filtrate with universal indicator strip. pH change and survival of animals. The pH plays an important role in the survival of animals, including human beings. Our body works well within a pH range 7 to 7.8. If there is a change in the pH of our body, in that case, a number of functions of internal organs or metabolic processes may be affected, and which may affect our survival. So pH of our body should be maintained. Self-defense by animals and plants through chemical welfare. A number of animals and plants protect themselves from their enemies by injecting painful and irritating acids or bases into their skin. For example, when a honeybee stings a person, it injects an acidic liquid into the skin, which causes immense pain and irritation. If a honeybee stings, we must have to rub the place of sting with mild base like baking soda to neutralize the acid injected by honeybees. An ant's sting injects methanoic acid, that is formic acid, into the skin of a person and causing burning pain. In this case, we must have to use mild bases like baking soda on the affected area to neutralize the methanoic acid. Plants are no better than animals. When a person happens to touch the leaves of nettle plant accidentally, the sting hair of the leaves inject methanoic acid to the skin of the person, which causes burning pain. In this case, again, we rub baking soda on the affected skin to neutralize the acid injected by the plant. So, my dear students, now we find that pH of a substance plays an important role in our everyday life. In order to maintain our body growth, health, we must have to maintain the pH of our mouth, stomach, or whole body. Okay, thanks.